In this video, we take a look at the area Basic Information. In this area, you provide basic information about your scavenger hunt. As with the entire planning tool, the following applies here. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk in the input field. We start with entering the title of the scavenger hunt and then select the location where our scavenger hunt will take place. In this example, our scavenger hunt is named The Lost Girl. And it takes place in Fulda, Germany. We then define the time in which the scavenger hunt will take place by setting a starting date and an ending date. The time frame is typically a few days or just a single day. Please be aware that the scavenger hunt is no longer available for download in the Nebolus app after the set end date has passed. If you want your scavenger hunt to be downloadable without a time limit, you can also leave out the ending date. The ending date is optional, while a starting date must be specified for each scavenger hunt. In our example, we choose 8 AM on the 1st of July as the starting time and 6 PM on the 2nd of July as the end, so our scavenger hunt will be playable for 2 days. Next, we enter the name of the main character in the story and choose an image that represents him or her in the app. Our main character is called Emma and is represented by this image. If there is a supporting character in your scavenger hunt who supports your main character by delivering clues, enter their name and select their image. In our example, the supporting character in the story is called Mike. As you can see from the missing asterisk, choosing a supporting character is optional. This means you can also create a story that works with just one character. You may have already noticed the preview button at the top right of the page. You can use the preview function to see where the information you have entered will be displayed in the Nebolus app. Links in the preview also take you to the Nebolus Help Center, where you can receive further support for the respective area in the planning tool. Finally, you need to provide information about the health topic, the target group, and the setting of your scavenger hunt. Multiple choices can be selected for the target group and the setting. Your target group describes the people for whom you are creating the scavenger hunt. These are the future scavenger hunt participants. Nebolus can be carried out in various settings, for example at universities, in order for participants to get to know the advice and support services of the university. Another setting could be a company environment, where Nebolus is used as a health promotion measure. It is also possible to organize a scavenger hunt at a school or in the public space of a municipality, city or district, in order for participants to get to know the facilities and services that exist there. Once you have entered all the information, you can return to the overview page using the Basic Information button at the top and continue editing the other areas.